In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Outlook without an account. If you want to use Outlook purely as a personal information manager for calendars, contacts, tasks, and notes without connecting to any email service, this quick method will get you straight into the main interface with a clean, local-only profile. First, make sure Outlook is completely closed. If a window is open, close it now. It's also a good idea to check the system tray near the clock and exit any lingering Outlook icons there. Outlook needs to be fully shut down so it can create a fresh profile without trying to reuse an existing one. If you've had Outlook open for a while, give it a few seconds to close in the background before moving on. Next, open the Run dialog on Windows by pressing the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. You should see a small box appear near the bottom left of your screen labeled Run with a field where you can type a command. This tool lets us launch Outlook with a special switch that tells it to create a profile that doesn't include an email account. In the Run box, type exactly outlook.exe PIM your profile name. Replace your profile name with a short, simple name for this profile, like PM or local only. Don't include the angle brackets. If you want to use spaces, put the profile name in quotes like outlook.exe PM my PM. The switch is not case sensitive, but spacing is important. There's a space after outlook.exe and after PIM. This command instructs Outlook to build a profile that's designed for personal information management without connecting to a mailbox. Click OK or press Enter. Outlook will launch and create the profile you specified. If you've never used this mode before, the first start may take a moment as Outlook sets up local data files. You won't be asked to add an email account for this profile, and you should land directly in the Outlook interface. You now have a new profile with no email account, which gives you full access to Outlook's core PIM features. You can manage your calendar, create contacts, track tasks, and take notes, all stored locally on your computer. Keep in mind that this data won't sync to a server by default, so if it's important, consider creating periodic backups of your Outlook data file. From here, you can customize views, set reminders, and use Outlook just like normal, minus the inbox. That's all it takes to run Outlook without an account and focus on the tools you need.